here to make a toddler friendly craft. We're gonna make a bird feeder. And so you're gonna need, I'm gonna use peanut butter, but if you have a peanut allergy, you could also use shortening. That would work. A hole punch, a string of some kind, a knife, a plate, a toilet paper roll, and some bird feed. So what we're gonna do first is go ahead and punch our holes. For our string, and I made my string pretty long, but make the string as long as you need it to tie it up into your tree. Go ahead and get your knots tied on each side. And then you're going to cover it in your peanut butter or shortening. You do have to be careful, especially right now since it's very hot outside. You don't want to leave it out there too long because it will go bad in the heat. So I would recommend saving this craft for the fall or the winter, and that way your food doesn't rot for the birds, and the birds will actually appreciate it more in the cooler weather. Because right now they can probably find what they need, but in the winter time and the fall, they would love a little treat. So make sure it's all covered. Have your bird feed on your plate. Go ahead and roll it around to cover it all up. And now you have a bird feeder that you can hang outside, and the birds will have a nice little treat. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope your birds do too. See you next time.